Well, I forgot that Safelite was coming to repair my windshield today, so I can't go to the gym. So instead, I thought that I would unbox my book of the month with you all. Let's get started. Hey y'all, my name is Whitney and welcome back. If you are new around here, I'm kind of all about bags, books, and balance. So like I said, couldn't make it to the gym when I wanted to, which was like right now. I decided instead to open my book of the month box. I already opened it, but then I was like, oh, I should make a video. If you have never heard of book of the month, basically it is like a book subscription, but you can cancel every month if you wanted to. Like if you never wanted to get a book, you could. My favorite thing about it is that they're hardcover books, so they're just like so nice and fresh and new, and it's only like $14.99 a month. So if you like a book of the month, you have like 5 to 7 options. You can choose one of those. But if you don't want one of those, then you can just skip and wait to see what comes out on the next month. But this month I got a romance book, and then I also added on a book, which is one of my favorite parts because you can add on any book. I mean, you get to choose from like a big selection for $9.99. So you're getting a hardcover book for $14.99, and then you're also getting a hardcover book for $9.99. Wow. And if you forget to skip, you can use that credit the next month or the next month if you want to. So if you did forget to skip, you're charged $14.99, but you can use that credit in a different month if you want to. Let's dig in. Like I said, already opened it, but decided after I ripped in that I wanted to do a video. You've got great taste. Oh, thanks. Like I said, I got a romance. I think it's a rom-com. It's by Catherine Center and it's called The Bodyguard. She's got his back. Hannah Brooks looks more like a kindergarten teacher than somebody who could kill you with a corkscrew or a ballpoint pen or a dinner napkin. But the truth is, she's an executive protection agent, aka Bodyguard, and she just got hired to protect superstar actor Jack Stapleton from his middle-aged corgi breeding stalker. That sounds just so fun. I'm not even gonna lie, when I first saw this, obviously you automatically assume the guy is the bodyguard. Rude of me, rude of me. That is just a little bit of the book. And then it goes on to talk about him and then their secrets. So what could possibly go wrong? It's going to end happy, and I love a happy ending. You get to add on a book for $9.99 if you want to. I had a couple credits stacked up from friends like you all joining Book of the Month with my referral link, which I will put in the description if you want to give it a try. And so I treated myself to another book. So I actually got both of these books for free because I used my credit. You know, it's a win-win for everyone. The second book that I got was The House Across the Lake by Riley Sager. I've heard mixed reviews about it, but I'm really excited to read it, so I'm gonna give it a go. I always like a good thriller too. It just like is something that keeps the pages turning. And I'm gonna read a little bit about this one to you all as well. Be careful what you watch for. Casey Fletcher, a recently widowed actress trying to escape a streak of bad press, has retreated to the peace and quiet of her family's lake house in Vermont. Armed with a pair of binoculars and several bottles of bourbon, she passes the time watching Tom and Catherine Royce, the glamorous couple living in the house across the lake. They make for good viewing. A tech innovator, Tom is powerful, and a formal model, Catherine is gorgeous. Do y'all want me to just read the whole thing to you? I'm going to because it just makes it sound so good. One day on the lake, Casey saves Catherine from drowning, and the two strike up a budding friendship. But the more they get to know each other and the longer Casey watches, the more it becomes clear that Catherine and Tom's marriage isn't as perfect as it appears. Duh. When Catherine suddenly vanishes, Casey immediately suspects Tom of foul play. What she doesn't realize is that there's more to the story than meets the eye, of course, and that shocking secrets can lurk behind the most placid of surfaces. This one sounds so good too. So these were my 2 Book of the Month picks. Comment below and let me know if you have read either one, what you thought of them, and then which one you think I should read first. Just some backstory. Right now, I am reading Him, which is a male-on-male romance. It's kind of a rom-com too. It's really good. So I'm feeling a thriller, but I also have a Colleen Hoover book lined up. So it's like, oh, do I read that one or do I skip? As you can probably tell, Bella really needs to go potty. So I'm gonna wrap this up. Don't forget to comment below to let me know which one you think I should read first. Oh, and if you like more books, bags, and balance kind of talk, then you should follow me over on Instagram at Whitney's Totes Adorbs.